Hey, hello everyone. I'm going to do an unboxing and review about this 60 years Majorette anniversary set, starting with my favorite, and that is this one right here, the Citroën Majorette. Thank you very much for this casting because I like it a lot and it looks fantastic, and I hope to see more of this model in the future. Let's have a look at the package so we can see Majorette is active on social media. Here we have the barcode and article number. We see a code right there. We see it's a licensed product, some text, freeze the frame if you want to read it. Let's open it up. Yeah, that looks really nice. .160 scale or 3-inch, and we do have an opening part. Yes, let's have a look inside. Complete kitchen, everything is there. Whoa, this is definitely a great model. Really well done, amazing, love it. Okay, let's put it right here. And then we are going to the next one, the Volvo 240. This one definitely looks like a classic version of the Majorette from many years ago. Yeah, the code and the barcode right here for the ones who are interested. Yeah, again, I hope to see more of this Volvo in the future in a different style, although I like this Majorette here on the side and the blue shiny rims, the black wheels. Volvo here on the left, 240 right here. I have to make a quick stop to get a flashlight to see if there is something in the back, to look at the interior. Well, I think we can see the interior like this. No, definitely need a flashlight. Back in a sec. So here I'm back, and I was also able to pick up this one right here from a long time ago. I'm going to have a look at that after this one. First, we're going to have a look inside. So we do have an opening part also in this one. Yeah, perfect interior, authentic steering wheel. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think it's an authentic steering wheel. We got lanced headlights, and here we have the base, plastic base, 159 scale, and good rolling wheels. Is there something in the back? Would be cool if there was something in the back. Yes, then we have this one right here from a long time ago. Metal base, metal body. Yeah, those times are over. 160 scale, made in France. Wow. And we got an opening part here in the back. Also, no accessories in the back. And back then, they already had a pretty good steering wheel. Windscreen wipers. Yep, here we also have windscreen wipers. And they already had suspension. Does this one have suspension? Even this one has suspension. Whoa. boing boing. That's cool. Okay, let's do it like this. Then we go to the next one, the Mercedes. I think this one is also going to be very popular for collector. It says also collector's car. Collector's cars leads the parade. Absolutely. Okay. Code, barcode, article number. Yeah, very nice. What is the type? Mercedes 450 SAL. Lanced front lights. Gray plastic bumper. And here we have an opening part. Let's have a look inside. Hey, I think this is the same... No, it's not the same steering wheel as the Volvo. Let's see, Volvo has a different steering wheel, yep, than the Mercedes. This is definitely Mercedes steering wheel. I like that. Good interior, by the way. Very nice seats. Also like the black rims with the silver ring around it. And here we can see it's a 161 scale Mercedes-Benz. Yeah, very nice. Yes, we definitely need more of these, maybe a deluxe version. Then we're going to the Alfa Romeo Giulia. I'm not going to say this. The code and the barcode article number. This is definitely one of my favorite models from Majorette. Okay, this was the 160 scale. Now we have an opening port. Alfa Romeo logo, I like that. Let's have a look inside. Yeah, very good interior. Majorette is far ahead on Matchbox and Hot Wheels if it comes to interior. Lanced front lights. Yep, you get a lot of car for your money. Do I have more of these? Yes. I also have the red one with the black rims. That is my all-time favorite. But I also like the blue one. And yes, there is a stick figure inside. So you can buy a stick figure and it will fit in this Alfa Romeo. Very nice, right? Have a look. I have no legs. I have no legs. That's awesome. Look at it. Stick figure in this beautiful blue Alfa Romeo. Then we go to the Toyota FG Cruiser. Yeah, I always think they try to be Humvee. Here we get the code, barcode, article number. Toyota Humvee. I also have a big version of this one from Jada. No opening parts. No opening parts. Majorette here, the old Majorette logo. So really cool that they placed that on this car. We got a tow bar, so you can place a trailer the back. Nice interior, of course. Can you show us the big one from Jada? Yes, I can. Let's go over here. There it is. This is the big one. Still have to do a review about it. Okay. And then the last one, the Chevrolet Corvette 1990 ZR1. Where's the code? Here we got a code. Barcode, article numbers. These are different codes, right? Yep. Different codes. And I'm not showing the same code over and over again. Okay. Fantastic looking model. I like these tornado rims. Not sure about you, but I kind of like those. Beautiful white interior. Steering wheel is maybe a little bit in a weird position. And here we got the back, a Corvette right here. And what does it say right here? Probably something like, what was it? ZR1. And here we have the base 159 skill. Yeah. Pretty cool set. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button and let me know what is your favorite model from this set. Have a nice day. Bye.